friends. Today how we will get Google AdSense approval within 15 days to 25 days. In this between you will get the Google AdSense approval with free tick. No costing of money. We can freely make money online from this. Some of the free tips you have to check it out. It is useful to you. Check it out. You can approve your AdSense within 15 days. How the processor is going on. Step by step, the Google AdSense approval tips we have given to you must follow that. Buy buy a domain with high quality like .com, .in, .com, .us, .uk. Example so much, and you can You can no money to invest. I think you can approve. You can continue as a blogspot.com. It can be approved, but it can be take some times. Uh, Creating domain with a specified email address like example name at the rate yourdomain.com. You have to create your Gmail ID like your domain address. Then your domain will be strong and people may contact you very easily. Add the legal pieces like about us, contact us, privacy policy. We have find a one website that will create you this many pages with free of cost, no charging of any money. Ensure that you have a specific theme design, clean design to your website. Uh, like if Google AdSense approval, it must be check all the themes which are suitable for the Google AdSense, so they can approve your AdSense account. Submit your sitemap to your Google Search Console. You have to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Submit the every URL to Search Console, and there are so many type of Search Console we have discussed next in the video. First of all, you have to submit in Search Console your sitemap and URLs also. Write at least 15 to 25 articles at least. Each day you have to approve. Write a articles. Write a 15 days 15 articles blog. Make be sure 100% unique and no spamming. Writing letters at least 1,000 words. You have to must show to make money. If you're going to making money through our blogging, you must be genuine. You have to must write the 100% unique article with 1,000 letters at least you will get. Then you will get an AdSense approval. And images also you can use 100% unique. You can use the Pixar and so many other softwares are available in the platforms. You can try those of them. Then you will get an article approval within 15 days. After that you have to share the all the URLs of your sites in your social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and uh, or like Pinterest and so many other platforms, social media which you performing well. You have to build a social network so traffic will come to you. After creating all the formality, you have to write it articles non-stoply 25 days. You have to write each day. Google will approve your AdSense when you have to continue writing, continue keep working with your website. Then Google will approve automatically your AdSense account. Write article every day. You have to must write every day the article. 15 days 15 article, and after that you have to write keep going the article until AdSense will approve. One time AdSense will approve, you get down and slow it, no problem. But you have to keep writing until AdSense approve your account. This format I have created with you, easy to understand. After applying for AdSense, you will get approval within 48 hours with simple process I have given you. You will get the approval within 48 hours. It is my challenge for to you. We have to very neat, very calm. Don't need to spelling 100% unique, understandable. No any spelling mistakes or any type of bad comments. You have to write 100% unique. User give the value to customer who visiting your site. They will know your website, then they will subscribe or they will follow your channel. Now you are ready to make money online with blogging. Keep clapping. You will make money with blogging. After that you can do anything. You can do have, yeah, what you want to do with 100% legal way. Google AdSense will approve. After you have to do not need to panic or spamming. You can write at least 1000 to 500 words after approving the AdSense, but you have to 100% unique. You have to perform well, not need to spamming. Then you will make at least 100 to $500 per day. So many of people are making the $1000 also per day. It is very easy, step by step. We are consulting. Tomorrow we will tell about SEO. Thank you, friends. We are going signing off today. Goodbye, friends.